Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are staying at Tonquin Inn in Jasper, Alberta. If you are planning a trip to Jasper National Park and wondering whether this hotel is worth booking, this video is for you. In this video, I will take you through the complete check-in process, give you a full room tour, show you the hotel facilities, and we will also have dinner at the Whisky Grill, the hotel's on-site restaurant. Room prices usually start from around 100 to 130 Canadian dollars per night during the off season. But they can increase significantly during the summer depending on demand and availability.
And did you came by card?
Yeah, and that will be released to you in 3 to 5 business days.
Sure.
Okay, sounds good.
Third floor. So this is the second floor. This is the third floor of the building.
And just
On the
one
third
time,
floor,
building up to outdoor hot
your
tubs.
room gonna
And
be
that
here.
is going to be from 9
For the
a.m.
amenities,
or
we
10
have
a.m.
indoor pool, hot tub, and
9
sauna,
a.m.
and the
to
changing room just in
Okay,
that stone
so
building.
9 a.m.
Access
to
through
10
upper
p.m.
red doors.
So we
Two
also
outdoor hot
have
tub behind
a fitness
this
center
building.
and a
These things
laundry
are open 9 a.m. to 10
laundry
p.m.
mat
every
is
day.
actually on the
Then we
second
have
floor
a
as
fitness
well.
center
So
on
you
the
see where the
second
pool
floor,
building
right
is, you're
above
going
the
to go
pool
straight
area,
and
9 a.m.
turn.
to 9
So
p.m.
the fitness is going to be
Right next to this
open
wall
till
in this
9
corridor
p.m.
area
And the
here,
laundry mat
this
is
is
just
ice machine
behind this
open
area
24
here,
hours. This
and
is
that's
the
going to
best
be
laundry
open till
open 9 a.m.
9
to 1
p.m.
p.m.
Okay, sounds good.
As you are
And
here
then
for
we
more
have
than
an
one
ice
night, if you
machine
need
that's
your
open
room
24
cleaned
hours.
tomorrow, you have to
Alright.
let us know in the morning
Perfect.
because
So,
it's a request
just to show
basis.
you your room now.
Anything
You're actually
else I can
going to
help you
go
with?
between
No,
the
that
can book your stay directly through the hotel's official website or through popular platforms like booking.com and Expedia. I have also added the booking links and more details in the description below. Overall, Tonquin Inn was a comfortable stay and a convenient choice for exploring Jasper National Park. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.